Hi, I'm Tashi,
And I'm Devin.
And I'm Lisa.
and we're here with another material science mission that will help these gummy bears slide.
Would you like to slide? Yeah, I would like to slide. Well, let's put you on this ramp and see. I'm not moving.
Mine isn't either.
What's gonna make them slide?
How about a lubricant? Lubricants are materials that help two surfaces slide past each other. They cut down on friction and heat.
Like the oil you put in cars to keep all the parts moving smoothly.
Yeah, but we're going to experiment with different drier materials.
Well, how's that gonna work?
You'll see.
To set up this experiment, you will need cut up paper bits, chunky glitter, a pencil,
A ramp with paper taped to the top,
a baking tray with edges to catch the mess.
and gummy bears. Make sure they're fresh and a little sticky.
These taste sticky.
Devin, those are for science.
Don't eat them all.
Yeah, we need at least 3.
Okay.
Okay, so we have 3 different materials that might help our bear slide. The paper bits, I've got those.
Chunky glitter. I'm on Team Glitter.
And graphite from a pencil.
Let's do a test. Rub your thumb and fingers together. Do the surfaces of your fingers slide easily? Now let's try with the paper squares.
The chunky glitter.
And I'm covering my fingers in graphite.
That's interesting. They help our fingers slide, but will they help the bears?
I think maybe.
It should.
This feels slippery.
Let's race and see which bear gets to the bottom the fastest. I think mine's gonna win.
We're each rooting for one, but if you're doing this on your own, you should draw 2 lines to divide the surface of your ramp into 3 lanes for your own bear race. I'm sprinkling paper squares all over my ramp.
Chunky glitter over mine.
And I'm coloring in my lane with pencil. Nice and dark.
Okay, before trying it, make a prediction and write it down on your data sheet. Will each material help the gummy bear slide?
First, coat the back of each gummy bear by rubbing it in the material covering each lane. Then, place the bear at the top of the ramp.
On your marks, get set, go!
Yay!
Woo! Okay, record your results. Mine slid.
Well, mine slid. Who won?
Well, we're not giving that away. You gotta try it yourself to find out.
But we'll tell you this much. We know that they all did slide. But how did that work? Without these lubricants, the bears couldn't slide.
I never really thought about dry, solid things being slippery.
Well, it's all about the layers. By adding paper squares or chunky glitter between the bear and the ramp, we create layers that can slip past each other. And graphite works that same way, right down at the atomic level. Its atoms form layers that have weak bonds between them, so they slide really easily.
Like a brand new deck of cards. Whoa, I should pick those up.
You know, scientists can slim graphite down to a single atom thick. They call it graphene.
Lubricants with solid layers, like graphene, are better than oil in extreme environments. So they're out there in space, helping Mars rovers work.
But back on Earth, try the gummy bear race yourself and try other materials that you think will help them slide.
Ooh, sparkly, but kinda inedible.
Ew.